Welcome to this comprehensive guide on learning management systems. In this video, we'll explore what LMS platforms are, how they work, and why they're essential for delivering effective customer training and onboarding. Whether you're new to digital learning or looking to improve your training delivery, this guide will give you a solid foundation in understanding LMS technology. An LMS, or Learning Management System, is software that helps organizations create, deliver, manage, and track educational content and training programs. Think of it as a digital platform where instructors can upload course materials, and learners can access them anytime they want. It's like having a virtual classroom available 24/7, accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. Modern LMS platforms come with several essential features. Content management allows you to organize and upload courses and training materials. User management lets you control who has access to what content. Progress tracking shows you exactly how your learners are doing and who has completed their training. Finally, assessment tools enable you to create quizzes and tests to measure what learners have actually understood. Together, these features create a complete training ecosystem. From an organizational perspective, LMS platforms offer three major advantages. First, scalability means you can train unlimited customers without significantly increasing costs. Second, consistency ensures that every customer receives the same high-quality training content and experience. Third, efficiency allows you to reduce the time and resources spent on manual training delivery. This means you can focus on creating better content while the platform handles delivery at scale. Your customers benefit from LMS platforms in equally important ways. Self-paced learning means they can complete training when it fits their schedule, not on yours. Personalized paths allow courses to adapt to individual learning styles and needs, and certification provides proof of completion that customers can add to their professional profiles. These benefits make your customers more likely to complete training and gain real value from it. There are many established LMS platforms to choose from. Moodle is open source and highly customizable, backed by a large community. Canvas is cloud-based with an intuitive interface, popular in educational institutions. Absorb is an enterprise-grade platform focused specifically on corporate training needs. Each has unique strengths depending on your organization's size and requirements. Beyond the first three, there are additional powerful options. Docebo stands out with artificial intelligence features and social learning capabilities for enterprise environments. Teachable is designed for content creators and individuals who want to build and monetize their own courses. Cornerstone specializes in talent development, skills tracking, and compliance training for large organizations. The platform you choose depends on your specific needs and budget. Implementing an LMS successfully requires a structured approach. First, conduct a needs assessment to understand your training objectives and who you're training. Second, perform platform selection by comparing options and choosing the one that fits your requirements and budget. Third, create your content by developing courses, materials, quizzes, and all the educational resources your learners need. These first three steps establish the foundation for a successful LMS deployment. After your content is ready, move to user onboarding where you train instructors and students how to use the platform effectively. Next is launch and support, where you deploy the system and make sure technical help is available for users who need it. Finally, measure and optimize your system by analyzing how learners are progressing, gathering feedback, and continuously improving the training experience. This ongoing cycle ensures your LMS stays effective and valuable. Learning management systems have fundamentally changed how organizations deliver training. They allow companies to scale training efficiently while giving customers the flexibility and personalization they expect. By implementing an LMS, you're investing in a solution that serves both your business needs and your customers' learning preferences. Whether you're just starting your training program or expanding an existing one, an LMS can help you deliver better results with less effort.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.